I used to just sit and cry because I'd have all these bins, 2 kids running around and a job, and it was too much. So I developed this system because this made it manageable. Hi, I'm Martha Carol Stewart with Chaos Organizing, and I am here with Colleen Wagisback with Fig and Dove. What we're going to focus on today is how to clean up Christmas when it's all said and done, and making that easy. The first thing I love is this clear garment bag, as you can see it. We like to hang garland in it. This is an easy way to mark what goes where. Then you can see it. You can grab it down in small bits or you can grab it down, but everything is labeled, so next year putting it up is a whole lot easier. Fig and Dove, they have these gorgeous wreath sashes. She also has this gorgeous ribbon. And if you're like me, I'm tying this one time and then I need it to stay this way. So I suggest taking tissue paper, stuffing the holes with tissue so that they stay formed, and then having a long plastic box like this where you can lay them down gently, again labeled so that you know exactly where they go the next year. The long box is also great for stockings. If you're looking for stockings, you need to go to the website and look at all the beautiful stockings. If you're like me, I want to decorate by vignette. So I am saying, okay, I want all of my mantle stuff. That means the garland will have a mantle on it. My stockings are laid out with the stocking holders in the same box, also labeled mantle.
Okay, that's brilliant, because I will say there's this daunting thing of there's like all these millions of bins in my attic and you have to take them all out and like dig for the stuff.
This got developed because I'm married to a hunter.
Okay.
And the hunter disappears. So I am usually decorating by myself. And I used to just sit and cry because I'd have all these bins, 2 kids running around and a job, and it was too much. So I developed this system because this made it manageable. All right, now let's talk wrapping. Fig and Dove has curated the best and most beautiful wrapping papers I have ever seen. So where do you put all that, right? You end up with a lot of leftover wrapping, and I love to keep leftover wrapping for the next year. I never throw it away. So you want a wrapping bin. This whole bin comes down and is ready for wrapping. We've got a small bin in here for ribbon and scissors, both of which you can find at Fig and Dove. We have tape and markers for writing, tags. Look at those beautiful tags.
Okay, I love that, because every year I do like beautiful tags, and then I'm scrambling next year to figure out what tiny little cubby they're in.
And if you're like me, I love to wrap and I love embellishments. So I will take a gift like this and embellish it with a tassel, with an ornament.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
All right, ornaments. They are so hard to store, right? I love these ornaments. They have little handles on them. They fold up nicely. They stack nicely in your attic. Got a hard bottom too, so that makes it nice. But these balls fit right in. Look at these gorgeous Fig and Dove balls. And these are removable. So if you have a bigger ornament, such as the dove would not be in a small square, you can take these out and make the space for all size ornaments.
Is this a double decker?
It is.
Love it. Okay, that's great. It's well made. We've all had a cheap one.
2 layers. If you are taking things apart, like you want all your gold balls in one place, I love to label the front. My favorite thing for this owl, the Weathertight container. Nice foam around the edge. And guess what they do? They keep out humidity.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Well, especially because we all store it in our attics.
In our attics and or storage rooms outside where the humidity is really high or the heat's really high. So this Weathertight storage is phenomenal for us. This is a little extra that you buy on the side. For the bulky, odd-shaped things that don't fit in a normal box, they're perfect, and this fits right inside of this box and can stack. So I love that idea for this Weathertight container. Another thing that this Weathertight container does is acts as a file box. So these are, you wrap lights around them. They have the flat surface at the top, so you can label with where the lights go in your house, whether it's tree lights or front door garland lights or whatever that is. Don't forget to take the batteries out if they're battery lights. And it goes into this box and hangs in there, and you can label it lights.
I love that.
Done. And I love that it's hard, stackable, and easy to load.
Of course, the top thing we sell at this time of year is wreaths. How do you store your holiday wreaths?
Just like the garland. Super easy, garment bag,
labeled with where the wreath belongs. I like to hang them with the wreath hangers on them. I put a rolling rack in my attic.
Oh, that's brilliant.
And they're all hung, all the garment bags are hung on a rolling rack in my attic with their proper wreath hanging materials, garland hanging, whatever you need, all hung up and ready to go.